So the first type of dry eye, which is a little bit less common but important to know about, is aqueous deficient dry eye, and that's when you don't produce enough tears. So in aqueous deficient dry eye, you have a problem with this layer where there's just not enough liquid, and that's related with the glands called the lacrimal glands, which produce the tears and keep the eyes lubricated. And usually that can be caused by a condition like Sjogren's syndrome, where it causes inflammation of the body. The way we test for that in office is called a Schirmer's test, and we put strips into the eye to measure the tear production. The second type of dry eye is meibomian gland dysfunction, it's evaporative dry eye, which is caused by meibomian gland dysfunction, and that's usually a problem with this top layer, the oil layer. And this mason jar has been sitting here for a couple days, and you can see actually this frothiness, which is something that we might sometimes see on the tear film. And this frothiness comes from usually dryness is an inflammation, and there might be excess bacteria buildup on the eye, so that can be related with the bacteria producing enzymes that react with the oils of the tears, causing that frothiness. So saponification is what it's called, and that's the production of soap. And so that can also be from the excess oils of the eyes reacting with the proteins in the tears, causing that soapiness. And so in evaporative dry eyes, just like it sounds, there's a problem with this oil layer, and so the tears just evaporate really quickly because the oil layer is needed to trap the tears and prevent the evaporation. And the oil layer comes from the meibomian glands, which are the oil glands along our lid margin. And when those glands get clogged up, that's when you have a deficiency in this top layer here. And again, that's called evaporative dry eye. So that is the basics on dry eye, and then I'll create another video talking about how we can address that.